Quick look inside the cabin where we're staying down here. It's a really cool little place. Just off the Rockhouse trails. It is called River's Edge Cabin. I don't know if you can read that. As you walk through it, when you walk outside, you're right on the river. True to its name. Okay, so we're sitting outside our cabin here, the River's Edge Cabins in Verner, West Virginia. We're going to do some riding today down here on the Hatfield and Mccoys trails, but this was our morning view we woke up to.
So Verner is between Gilbert and Mann, and we're going to go to Mann first, right? And
yes.
Ride those trails. There was a trail head right there.
Yes.
When we went by last night. We're
going to try to ride up and see the swing, and then turn around and head for Gilbert and try to see the distillery today. That's our game plan anyway. We'll see how it works out, and we'll show you our trip, and we'll stop along the way and show you some scenery. All right, so here we go. We're going to go on the Rockhouse trail system right now, trail 17, and here we go.
Check it out.
So we're on trail 16 green. We stopped by this high wall here just to look around a little bit, check the area out. Now we're going to head back down the trail. So we made it down here to trail 13 waterfall. Pretty cool area down here.
It's so cool, so pretty. The waterfall, it was a really fun ride here.
Such a great day weather-wise too.
Yeah.
So perfect. So here we are, almost heaven swing. We made it, we found it.
We made it, we did it.
It is. All right, so we just pulled into the Hatfield and Mccoys Distillery. We're gonna go inside and check the place out a little bit. See what's in there.
See what it is. We rode all the way from Man to Gilbert. That was a pretty cool ride.
So we've been on the trails. We've been on the trails. We did it a roundabout way. We've been on the trails for about 3.5 hours to get here, just checking other things out, the waterfall and all that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head in here and see what it's about.
Yep.
Well, this is our last morning here. We're loaded up and leaving, headed back home. Got a lot of riding in yesterday, about 8.5, 9 hours worth anyway.
Yeah.
And saw a lot of stuff. Got to see the trestle bridge, got to see waterfall, got to see the swing, and we got to see the Moonshine Distillery down in Gilbert, which was one of the stops we definitely wanted to make.
Yeah, there are a lot of trails on this Rockhouse. We didn't ride Braveheart.
No.
We didn't have a chance because there was so much on Rockhouse, but like you said, there's so much to see, and this is one of the best places.
Yeah,
so far
by far. And River's Edge Cabins, look them up. Beautiful place, very clean, very good people.
We shouldn't tell them that.
I know.
Then it won't be available when we're ready to come.
We definitely recommend it.